Although Haiti is hot throughout the year, it is still useful to know the 4 seasons in Haitian Creole. Let's begin. Spring is printemps. Summer is l'été. Fall is l'automne. And winter is l'hiver. And those are the 4 seasons in Haitian Creole. Here's a quick overview of the climate in Haiti. Haiti has a tropical climate, so temperatures vary from warm to hot year-round. Most of the rain falls around summertime, and the drier periods are in fall or winter. Now, you should also try to learn the months of the year in Haitian Creole. So be sure to watch the next video. For more videos like this, please subscribe and thanks for watching.